I've been a graphic designer by trade for over 20 years, and I've worked for a variety of major companies and major clients. Now, I've seen a lot of change in this industry over the years, and one thing that I know for sure is that a lot of creative professionals in this moment feel that their careers are being diminished by AI, commoditized by templates, or that the industry is simply just saturated with many people calling themselves designers. Well, what if I told you that if you are concerned about any of that, it's time to think higher? You can still be excellent at design, but now I need you to think about brand. This class goes beyond the logo to teach you some really important brand fundamentals that will absolutely help you level up your impact and your invoices. How do I know? Because I'm living proof, and it's actually what I apply with my own business and clients. So there's 3 things I need you to know. Number 1, what brand really truly is. Number 2, a more strategic way to think about brand. And number 3, how understanding this new framework that will give you more impact, insight, and confidence that you can apply in your future projects. So even if you think you already know everything there is to know about brand, I still want you to check out this masterclass because you just might gain a new perspective that will totally change the way you think about design, business, and brand.